Hey guys, it's Series here from Little's Vids, and today I am showing you how to build it's a speedboat, and that is what it will look like, and let's get to it. So first you want to, on the edge of the earth, I'll just make it up here. First you'll start off with any type of wool, and you're gonna make it one above, break these down here, and then you're gonna start from there and count 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you're gonna come over 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're gonna just come up 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get out of here.
Here, I'm gonna pause it, okay? We'll be back in just a minute.
Sorry for that intermission. And now you will connect these, and then you're going to come out 2, and then 3, sorry. You're gonna come in. It's gonna look like a bug now. And then you're gonna go out 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're just gonna connect that and come out 2. 1, 2. Then you are
taking up speed.
Then you're gonna come out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on that 8th block, you're just going to make a line. Then you're gonna need. Then you're just gonna.
Sorry.
Then you're gonna get any wood. I'm just using spruce. Just wait. Do you fill that in? Hold on. Let me zoom over to this one real quick. Yeah,
Can't even make his own stuff.
Oh, shut up.
I am horrible at videoing.
Then
Trying to dance.
Then you're just gonna fill that in. Then you
There's
can
still Blair. Whatever.
get rid of this. And then wait, no.
It's getting dark in
Minecraft, so we're just gonna go to bed real quick.
and we'll be back to you in a minute.
Hey guys, there will be a part 2 to this, and subscribe to this one and watch part 2. Bye.